In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a friend in Zynga Poker. First, open your Zynga Poker app. Then, tap on the Friends icon located at the bottom right corner, right next to the Messages icon. Once you tap the Friends icon, you'll see your list of buddies. Here, you can view your existing Zynga Poker friends and check if they are currently online. To add new friends, simply tap on the referral button. You can invite friends by sharing your referral link. When you refer a friend and they join, you'll receive 100,000 free chips. Just tap the share button to send your referral link through social media apps like Messenger, WhatsApp, or others. Alternatively, you can copy your referral code and manually share it with your friends. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and